Good morning, everyone. We have so many passion fruit in our garden, so today I will be making passion fruit and banana ice cream. First, you need some chopped bananas. Next, slice up some passion fruit and scoop out the juice and seeds. Push the juice through the strainer and save the seeds for later. Then, put the bananas and the juice in the freezer. Now, take the frozen items out of the freezer and into the blender. Add some condensed milk and blend it into a smooth liquid. Next, pour into a bowl and add the passion fruit seeds for decoration and taste. Place the mixture into the freezer once more until frozen. And there you have it! This is my passion fruit and banana ice cream, my husband's favorite. So now, he's in heaven. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.